Monday's warm-up, you're going to need a calculator. You're going to copy the problem in your notebook. You're going to do the math. Then you're going to fill in the quiz on Canvas at the end of the day. To find the percent of a number, change the percent to a decimal, then multiply the decimal by the number. Make sure you're looking for a pattern because that's the last thing I'm going to ask you about. So the first one says 10% of 40. So 10% as a decimal is 0.1 times 40, because it says change to a decimal and then multiply by the decimal. So 40 times 1/10 is 40.0, or 4.0, which is 4. So I need you to go through and do the rest of these. You are using a calculator, and I want you to be looking at what you began with and what you ended with. So please do these 10 questions. Pause. You're going to pause the video now. You're going to do the 10 questions, and then you're going to go to the next slide to check your work. Thank you. So here are the answers to Monday's questions. And I had asked you to look at what you began with and what you ended with, what you began with and what you ended with, and what you began with and what you ended with. And you should be noticing that the numbers haven't changed. It's just that the decimal points have moved. And you should see that the decimal point has moved. If it was originally here behind the 8, it moved 1 to the left. Behind the 12, 1 to the left. Here, 1 to the left, 1 to the left. So when you're multiplying by 10%, finding 10% of a number, all you have to do is move your decimal point one place to the left. So please write that in your notebook. Move times 10% means you move your decimal one place to the left to get your answer.